In this video, we will show you how to remove site header on Squarespace website. In here, there is two methods. First, we can remove the header from all page, or we just want to remove the header from a specific page. How to do that? First, let's remove the header from all page. We can go to our dashboard and go to our website. And to remove your header from all page, just go to your design and then select custom CSS and then type this CSS code. And voila, your header is disappear in here. Okay, you can see this is the custom CSS we want. Okay, and we can click save and see our all page is no header anymore. In the about, okay, the header is gone. In the fish page, in here, the header is disappear from all page. But if you want, just for example, the header is disappear from about page or some page, we can just doing it easily. Go to your design. In here, we want to just remove from blog page. Okay, just remove your custom CSS first, and after your header is appear again, first you need to go to your Chrome extension and open your Chrome Web Store and find the extension called Squarespace ID Finder here. Okay, if you not installed yet, you can type this keyword Squarespace ID Finder, and after you install, you will have the Squarespace ID Finder here. Then you can get the ID from this blog page. Just click this and click the Squarespace ID Finder extension, and voila, the ID of this header is from blog page is appear. You can click to copy this ID, and you need to paste the ID into your custom CSS, then add a blank space or space and type header again, and you can display none again in here. Okay, you can see the custom CSS. Okay, we will copy this code into description of this video, so you can just copy paste. You can click save, and in here is blog page. So when you go other page like about, the header will appear, and in the fish still appear, but in the specific page on blog, the header is gone. And that's all tutorial how to remove site header from Squarespace website. Hope this video helpful for you.